Ryder, what do we got?
Okay, today, I think no one has ever done this. We haven't ever done this either. When we were 6 years old, there's some people here were at the pool. Show them. Actually, show them.
People at the pool chilling.
Hey, don't remember that.
All right, let's explain our Mentos challenge.
No. Okay, anyway.
All right.
So we got Mentos.
Mentos here.
Okay.
And then we put them, don't open it. We already put them all in here, and it's
Okay.
super hard. Okay, we did fail on one.
Yeah,
We messed this one up. Are you trying? You eating them? I am gonna toss this in the air, and it's gonna go skyrocketing in the air.
It's disgusting.
Okay.
There it was.
Stand up.
Okay.
Film me.
I will.
Okay, hold on. No, yeah, hold them. Okay. Point it on me. No, you can hold it regular with your hands.
Alright. Go.
Come over here.
Okay.
Let's do it over.
Make it clear. Make it clear.
All right, come over here.
Okay. Mentos are
You think this is high enough?
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
Okay. Film over here. Hey, film over here. Like point
Okay.
over here. No. Stand right here. Stand right here.
We did fail on one though.
Point it at me.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw it up in the air. Okay.
Go. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ready?
Go.
Point over there, cause no, stay where you're at. Point over there, cause I'm gonna throw it. Let it land
Okay.
over there.
Over there, like
Yeah,
right
like
there.
right over there. Okay, ready?
Right over the sidewalk, right there.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Hey! Let's go!
It worked.
It worked! Hey! Hey, let's go! Let me drink it!
It worked. Did we get it?
What?
Here.
Two.
Here.
Yeah, we got it.
All right, hold on.
Here's another one.